McLeod, and I'm the CEO and founder of the Elite Traders University, and we're dedicated to helping individuals learn how to extract money on a regular basis from the Forex market using our proprietary pip and run Forex scalping approach. And I'm sitting here on the beach in Maui, and this is primarily what I like doing. I like living the laptop lifestyle and being able to trade from anywhere in the world using my Wi-Fi connection and my laptop and my computer or my phone, and then working maybe a couple hours a day and being able to use institutional order flow in order to find low risk, high probability entries in the direction of the market. Now, I am a 16-year public education teacher. In fact, I have a lifetime teaching credential from the state of California, and I taught grades from middle school up to college. And so I specialize in helping people learn complex things quickly. Now, not only that, I got into financial services. I had my Series 3 license, and I worked for one of the world's largest Forex brokers in the world, Forex Capital Markets. And I was a currency analyst and also their trading instructor, part of the instructional team. And so I was responsible for training traders in the Forex market, helping them to learn how to tie in technical analysis with fundamentals, looking at geopolitical events, economic announcements, and other forms of data, sentiment analysis, in order to better gauge what's going on in the $6.1 trillion foreign exchange market. So I've been doing this for over 25 years, and I am the author, and I developed the pip and run Forex scalping system. I worked at a top tier bank, and also worked for a prop trading desk, and I've also consulted with many Forex brokerages, including Pepperstone. So, and I had an Australia certification securities license, and so certified in Australia as well as Chicago. So, having all that experience, being on the inside, I'm just not some newbie that that's been in the market. So, and you can look at just type Greg McLeod and the Forex, and you're going to find hundreds of videos and articles that I've published and interviews detailing and proving that my method actually works. So if you are looking for a qualified mentor to help shorten your learning curve so you will not spend years DIYing it, trying to learn by yourself with faulty information, then go ahead and click the link below and schedule a time to speak directly with me, and then we'll look forward to seeing, I can really show you the 4 principles of our pip and run Forex scalping system. And if this is something that you're interested in learning more, it's free. The call is free to learn how the system works, and you can use this in your trading. You'll have a choice to either work on your own, or you can work with myself and shorten that learning curve and lead to profitability. Now, working with me does cost money. It is a 5-figure investment, 4 to 5-figure investment. However, the initial consultation is free. So go ahead and click the link below if you so choose. My name's Greg McLeod. Happy pipping. Talk to you soon. See you on the other side. Bye.